Bienvenue les amis. Welcome friends. Welcome to the Travel Experience de Voyage channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing my Brooks Beast GTS 24 shoes. If you haven't done so already, check out my video of my unboxing of these shoes. What are the Brooks Beast GTS 24s? They are motion control running shoes from the Brooks brand. Who are these shoes for? The Brooks Beast GTS 24s are aimed specifically for runners who have severe overpronation of their foot when walking or running. How much do they cost? I purchased these when they were first released for just under $230 shipped directly from Brooks. If you've clicked on this video, then you will have some idea of pronation, gait, ankle alignment, and various conditions that would lead to the decision to purchase these shoes. A little background about myself. I previously owned the Brooks Beast GTS 20s, which were starting to fall apart at the toe box. I was so impressed by the Brooks Beast GTS 20s that I decided to purchase the latest model, the Brooks Beast GTS 24s. How I use these shoes is I wear them as my daily lifestyle shoes as well as working out at the gym. I will be clear that I'm not a runner or jogger, but I do wear these when I'm on a treadmill as well as lifting weights. I exercise 2 hours a day, 5 to 7 days a week, which includes an incline treadmill, deadlifts at 60 kilos, and lunges at 45 kilos. I've had previous ankle injuries and foot injuries due to incorrect footwear type and size, and injuries due to sports and work. Moving to the Brooks Beast was an incredible improvement, as I have never had much better footing with any other shoe previously. Highlights of the Brooks Beast GTS 24s include a thick outsole called the DNA Loft V3, the nitrogen cushioning of the DNA Loft V3 and the stiff, durable rubber create an outsole that adds weight to the shoe and lowers the feedback from the ground. However, it adds rigidity and curvature for those who require motion control shoes. The midsole has a unique feature called guide rails, which comprise of thin strips of rigid material that are placed inboard and outboard on the side of the shoe. These guide rails prevent the foot from moving in unnatural ways and help to keep the foot planted firmly on the ground. The insole is very comfortable, and the shoe does not require additional aftermarket insoles as it provides shock absorption and arch support. The outer opening of the shoe has adequate cushion, providing comfort, but not too much cushion to the point where the shoe feels disconnected from wrapping around the ankle. The shoe does have breathable mesh, although it is nowhere near as breathable as its competitors in the market. All the features combined are fully functional, and they do actually work to produce an excellent performing shoe. Added design features of the Brooks Beast GTS 24 add a large rubber bump pad in the rear of the shoe for added protection, a high toe strike for those who occasionally sprint, and thick rubber outsole for traction in various surfaces. That being said, there are a few drawbacks. I can hardly imagine the Brooks Beast GTS 24s being used for runners. It is far too bulky, far too stiff, and far too heavy to be used in long distance running, and certainly not sprinting. The shoe itself is not for everyone. This is a very specific shoe for a very specific condition. The breathability of the toe box could be improved for those in hot, humid climates. While marketed as a solution for those who suffer from various problems or injuries, these shoes can definitely help, but they are not the problem solver for those who suffer chronic foot and ankle issues without addressing physiotherapy. Some tips I would like to include would be to make sure you tie your shoelaces so that the shoes are snug and fit firmly. Toes should be able to move within the toe box, but not excessively. Wear quality breathable socks that add cushioning but do not slide around inside the shoe. And finally, if necessary, look into wearing ankle and knee braces for those who have chronic problems. Overall, I recommend the Brooks Beast GTS 24s for anyone like myself who has suffered chronic ankle injuries, is a larger or heavier individual, or has flat arch feet and suffers from overpronation. These shoes have been incredible in regards to my overall daily comfort and my ability to exercise freely with a proper range of motion and a more natural alignment. If you've watched this far into the video, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my content. If you like the video, please select the like button and share this video with your network. Also, consider subscribing. I work tirelessly on my free time to further my channel and share my experiences with the world. Merci.